Today, we're going to be ranking the 8 water slides at the Aquaventure Waterpark at Atlantis, Bahamas. Located at the most recognizable resort in the Bahamas, the Aquaventure Waterpark features 11 pools, 8 water slides, and a lazy river. Number 8. Built into the side of the Mayan temple is the Jungle Slide, an open-aired slide featuring no unexpected drops, taking you around some fun curves, through a cave, and finally dropping you in the pool. Number 7. Back at the Mayan temple again, be sure to grab yourself a tube and head up the stairs to the Serpent Slide. Once you get the green light, prepare yourself for a 5-story drop through the darkness of the Mayan temple. Upon splashdown, you'll find yourself floating through the clear acrylic tube, and you'll have about 1 minute to be able to sit back and take in all the different kinds of sharks swimming around you. Number 6. Up next, we head over to the 120-foot Power Tower, which is home to 4 adrenaline-pumping slides. Be sure to grab yourself an inner tube, head on up to check out the amazing views, and then get in line for the falls. Prepare yourself for a 58-foot drop to ground level before being shot back up by water jets over 2 camelback humps and then plunged into darkness. After a wild ride through the dark twists and turns, you find yourself splashing down in a separate section of the Rapids River. Number 5. Next up on our list, we're going to head back to the Power Tower, but this time head to the top floor for the Surge. Before getting in line, take a moment to admire the expansive views of the entire Atlantis resort. Then prepare yourself for another heart-pumping trip down the steepest of all the water coasters, as you are again propelled by water jets before being shot into the dark helical twists and turns. Your trip on the Surge comes to an end with being splashed down into the Rapids River. Now sit back and relax, but not for too long, because this section of the Rapids River lives up to its name. Number 4. Back to the Power Tower we go, and be sure to bring your tube with you as we take on the drop. Similar to the falls, once you get the green light, you're then plunged into darkness down a 50-foot drop. When you get to daylight, you again are thrust forward by the water jets pushing you over 2 camelback humps. This trip is concluded with, you guessed it, a ride down the Rapids River. Number 3. Heading back to the Mayan temple, no tube required, just a friend and a little spirit of competition. On the Challenger, it's a race to the finish down the 6-story slides. All you have to do is lay back, cross your arms and your feet, and then see who won at the end. Number 2. Our final Power Tower slide is the Abyss. Head to the top floor one last time and get ready for your near vertical 50-foot drop into darkness. The next thing you know is you splashing down in the underground hidden cenote. With a waterfall and large aquariums, the cenote is one of the most unique places on the property. Number 1. Located at the front of the Mayan temple, the Leap of Faith is a towering 60-foot vertical drop that promises to give you an adrenaline rush like no other. Head to the top, take in the views, and prepare yourself for the heart-pounding ride down the Leap of Faith. Only lasting about 5 seconds, Your journey starts with a free fall, then turns into a trip through a transparent tube surrounded by sharks. Thanks for joining us on our ranking of the water slides at Atlantis Bahamas. Let us know in the comments which slide was your favorite. And if you like tropical resort destination content, please hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all our upcoming videos.